Hello everyone! Can you actually wheelie a heavy rental scooter with a DIY clip-on wheelie plate and without snapping the rear fender off? Today, I'm going to find out, but my first attempt was an absolute disaster. Rental scooters are way too heavy and unbalanced for stunts. So I came up with a crazy idea, a custom clip-on wheelie plate with a built-in wheel that locks you into a balance point and protects the fragile fender at the same time. No tools, no permanent mods, snaps on and off in seconds. I built version 1, snapped it on, and went out for the first test run. And it failed miserably. The wheel angle was completely wrong, making it impossible to control. To make matters worse, dark clouds rolled in, and a sudden gust of wind knocked my camera tripod right onto the sidewalk. Absolute disaster. But I wasn't giving up. I found an old, sturdy chair, the kind used in banquet halls. The legs and backrest had almost the exact angle I needed. So I grabbed my angle grinder, cut the legs and backrest off, and bent them just a bit more with my pipe bender to hit the perfect angle. For version 2, I used a joist hanger and a skateboard wheel with high-speed ball bearings. To reinforce the plate, I stacked 2 pieces of wood and secured them with extra screws. As you can see in the video, I had to cut away a small section of one of the iron bars because the rear fender was blocking it on one side. I was starting to feel a bit discouraged, but then the scooter boys from my previous video showed up. They were hyped to see what I was building and immediately offered to help film my attempts. However, I quickly realized a huge problem. The throttle response on a rental scooter is way too slow, with almost zero fine control. Even with the wheelie plate, keeping your balance from side to side is a massive challenge. Tobias and the guys even took turns trying to make it work. They are way better than me, but even they struggled with that laggy throttle. We had an awesome time testing everything, but on my final all-out attempt, disaster struck again. The iron bar on the wheelie plate completely bent under the pressure. Total failure. But honestly, an awesome day anyway. The boys told me I was spending way too much money riding the Voy scooter and insisted I should get an Ausom L2 Max instead. They even let me try their brand new dual motor Ausom L2 Max, and wow, it was absolutely amazing to ride. First I tested it at slow speed on a single motor, but the guys told me to engage both motors. The traction was unbelievable. It completely made my day, like flying away in a dream. Then I tried the KuKirin G2 scooter. And just to show off a little trick for the boys, I even rode the KuKirin G2 backwards. Make sure to like and share this video with someone who absolutely needs to see this. Let me know in the comments if I should build version 3 of the wheelie plate, or if you have any build requests for future videos. See you next time. Bye bye.